In this video, I will show you how to adjust table cell width and height in Microsoft Word. So select your table. In this table layout, here is the setting to change height and width. You can distribute columns and rows. You can enter your desired number in centimeter. You can change thickness of this table border. So table design. So here select any particular thickness, color, borders, and select all borders. You can change text direction if you have the text. You can change cells margin. And there are some more options here. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.